Hi, welcome to Cooking with Veena. On public demand, I'm going to share with you today a recipe for red chicken curry. So keep watching. To make red chicken curry, we need 1 kilo of chicken pieces, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 3 medium tomatoes grated, 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped, red ground masala which has been ground with 1 teaspoon of jeera, 4 or 5 Kashmiri red chillies, 6 to 8 flakes of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger. These have all been ground together. A few coriander leaves, 4 tablespoons oil and some water. I have marinated this chicken about 3 hours ago with dry masala, which is red chilli powder, a little turmeric powder about half a teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, and I have also added ginger garlic paste, a little ginger garlic paste made with half an inch of ginger and 6 to 8 flakes of garlic which have been ground together and have been mixed very well with the chicken pieces and allowed to marinate for about 3 hours. I'm going to light the flame. I'll now add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add the chopped onions. You need to keep turning the onions till they are golden brown in color on a low flame, because otherwise on a high flame they will get brown but they'll have a burnt taste. Now that the onions are brown, I'm going to add the ground red masala. Mixing the red masala well with the onions, cooking it for a couple of minutes. The masala is getting well cooked with the onions. So now it's time to put in the chicken pieces. Mix the chicken pieces with the masala very well so that the masala gets on evenly into each piece of the chicken and it is soaked in by the pieces right to the bottom of the piece. I'll now start putting the dry spices. So I'm going to add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, half teaspoon of garam masala. I'm now going to mix all of this well. I'll now add the grated tomatoes. Salt, and now we are going to cook all of this on slow flame so that all the spices and the tomato are all very well blended. We are slowly winnowing or cooking while stirring this chicken on a low flame so that all the spices are very nicely got into and the juices are well permeated. We'll do this till the masala is almost dry. It's now been about 15 minutes that we have been stirring this chicken or bhunoing it as we call in Hindi, and you can see the color is a rich red brown and the masala is almost dry. So that's the time when we need to put hot water so that we can cook the chicken tender and have a nice gravy. So I'm going to now heat a pan and put a glass of water and allow it to boil. Now that the water is boiled, I'm going to add it to the chicken. Half the coriander leaves. I'm now going to shut the cooker and allow the chicken to cook for 7 to 10 minutes after the first whistle. Our red chicken curry is now ready. Serve it with piping hot rice, roti or naan and enjoy. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. And if you have any comments or feedback to share, please do write in to us.